Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English lesson.
Hi everyone. We're so excited to help you learn today.
Today, we're going to talk about making plans and invitations.
Yes, it's an important skill in English.
Absolutely. Let's start by thinking about when you make plans with friends.
Right, like, how do you ask someone to go out with you?
Exactly. You can use phrases like, "Shall we go to the cinema?"
Or, how about going for a coffee?
Very good, Jake. These phrases show you are inviting someone.
What if I want to find out if my friend is free?
Great question. You can ask, "Are you available this weekend?"
That sounds nice. I can't wait to try it out.
So, let's practice with the dialogue. Let's pretend we're planning a dinner.
Sounds perfect. I'll start. Hey Emma, do you want to have dinner this Friday?
Sure. What time were you thinking?
How about 7 p.m.?
7 p.m. works for me. Where shall we go?
I know a fancy Italian restaurant. Do you like Italian food?
I love it. That sounds delicious. Are they easy to get to?
Yeah, it's not far. I'll drive us there.
Perfect. What's the name of the restaurant?
It's called Bella Italia. Are you looking forward to it?
Definitely. I'm really looking forward to it.
Great. I'll make a reservation.
Good idea. Shall we invite Mark too?
Yes, he might be available.
I'll text him right now.
What will you say?
Hey Mark. We're going to Bella Italia this Friday at 7 p.m. Would you like to join us?
That sounds great. I hope he can come.
Me too. It will be more fun with him.
Definitely. So, let's continue with a brief explanation.
Yes, let's explain how to invite someone and talk about availability.
Right. We use shall we for invitations.
And how about is another great way to suggest something.
Exactly. When you want to check if someone is free, you ask, "Are you available?"
Perfect. Let's look at some sentences. Shall we go to a concert this Saturday?
And how about visiting the museum on Sunday?
Are you available to chat later this evening?
And I'm looking forward to our trip next month.
Wonderful. Now let's move on to our vocabulary for today.
Yes, the first word is available.
Available means you can do something.
Here are some examples. I am available this weekend.
She is available for a meeting on Monday.
Are you available to help us on Tuesday?
Great job. Next, we have fancy.
Fancy describes something that is nice or special.
For example, I wore a fancy dress to the party.
That restaurant looks fancy.
Do you want to go to a fancy event?
Wonderful. Our next word is shall we.
Shall we is used to make suggestions.
Examples include, shall we play a game?
Shall we go for a walk?
Shall we meet at the cafe at 3 p.m.?
So helpful. Now, let's talk about how about.
How about is also a way to suggest an idea.
Some examples. How about going to the beach this weekend?
How about trying that new restaurant?
How about we watch a movie tonight?
And lastly, we have looking forward.
Looking forward means you feel excited about something that will happen.
For example, I am looking forward to the holiday.
We're looking forward to seeing our friends again.
She is looking forward to her birthday party.
Fantastic. Now let's do a quick review.
I'm ready. What's the first question?
What does available mean?
It means you can do something.
Correct. What's an example of using fancy?
The restaurant looks fancy.
Excellent. How do you make a suggestion using shall we?
Shall we go for a walk?
Exactly. And how do we ask someone if they want to join us?
How about going to the cinema?
Wonderful. Last question. What does it mean when you are looking forward to something?
It means you are excited about it.
Well done, Jake. Great job, everyone.
Yes, you all did amazing today. Before we finish, what's our next lesson about?
In our next lesson, we'll explore talking about hobbies and interests.
I'm looking forward to it. See you all next time.
Goodbye, everyone. Take care.